Hi guys, today I want to share with you a very simple and festive Christmas themed macrame bracelet. It's a very simple project to work with, but the end result is pretty amazing. If you like the design, let's dive in. Start with 5 waxed cords. Tie them together by making a knot. Remember to keep some length at the beginning. We will need to use it later. Use a large clip to hold all the cords. Then, arrange the cord as shown in the screen. Now, we can start making the double half hitch knot. The name may sound confusing, but it's actually quite easy to learn. Use the rightmost green cord as a filler cord. It means all other cords need to wrap around this green cord. Place the filler cord on top, then wrap the second green cord around it. We can call this second cord as working cord. You can see now the filler cord has moved from the rightmost to the left. Then place the working cord above the filler cord and make another wrap. After these 2 wraps, you've completed the first double half hitch knot. Now, use the red cord as the working cord and make the second knot. Again, place the red cord underneath the filler cord for the first half of the knot, and place the red cord above the filler cord for the second half of the knot. Now use the white cord as the working cord and make the third knot. By now, I believe you've seen the pattern here. We use the rightmost green cord as the filler cord, and all other cords need to wrap around it. As a result, all other cords have moved from the left to the right. Do the same thing for the last red cord. Remember, the order of those cords will impact the pattern of the bracelet. You can get creative simply by switching the cords around. Now we've completed the first row of knots. It's time to switch the filler cord. We're going to use the new rightmost green cord as a filler cord this time. The knots are exactly the same as the first row. Just follow the order of the working cords and make double half hitch knot one by one. Again, all the working cords are going to end up in the right side of the filler cord. When it comes to the last green cord, treat it as a normal working cord and do the same double half hitch knot. Then, we're going to make another knot using the same cord, but this time change the direction from the right to the left. No matter how direction changes, always place the working cord beneath the filler cord for the first half of the knot, and place the working cord above the filler cord for the second half of the knot. Now for the fun part. We are going to add beads to the bracelet. Take the red cord next to the green cord. String 1 gold bead on. Then use this red cord as a working cord to make a double half hitch knot. The direction of the knot should be from left to right. By the way, the bead I'm using here is 4mm stainless steel gold beads. You can get them in my store. I'll list the purchase link below. Then, we treat white and red cord at the right-hand side as one cord. Then, string 2 gold beads on them. Then make the double half hitch knot for the white cord first and red cord second. You can see now the cords have formed a rough triangle around the 3 beads. This is achieved by switching the direction after the second row. continue our bracelet. Now it's time to change the filler cord. Our new filler cord is the leftmost green cord. Wrap other 3 cords around the filler cord using the double half hitch knot. The direction is from right to left, just like the row above. When you finish the last knot using the green cord, make another knot in the opposite direction. Now it's time to add another set of beads. I won't bore you with the repetitive making process. Just remember, our purpose is to create a zigzag pattern and add 3 beads at every turn. This is the final result, a very festive bracelet design. Now the only thing left is to weave the 2 ends into 3-strand braid. Once it's done, cut the excess thread off and burn the ends with a lighter. Now, our beautiful Christmas-themed macrame bracelet has been completed. Let me try it on and show you the effect. To match this bracelet, I also made a super simple 4-strand braid with gold seed beads. They go very well together. You can learn how to make 4-strand braid in my previous tutorial. I'll list the link in the upper right corner. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I'll see you next time.